Hey, full throttle kind of guy coming back at you there. So, managed to pick up a new car. I decided to treat myself well. So I had to do some repairs on it. Of course, it needed a little bit of loving in that. One thing I needed was new TPS sensors, because those things go off every 10 minutes in that if you don't change those things out, and there's no way to shut it off. And then I needed some new wheel stud. So I had to get new lug nuts as well, but I'm getting a wheel stud put on. I didn't feel like doing the wheel stud work myself, so I found a shop that I've gone to in the past. They've got the skills to pay the bills. So if you're ever in Hillsboro and you need to get a good tire shop and a good deal, check out Carothers Tires. Ask for Javier. Javier's the man. So anyways, there's a telephone number right up there. Can you kind of get it up there? It's 503-648-70, and that's 99. So anyways, to do the wheel stud change out, there's only one that I know of that's messed up, could be more. Anyways, it's like $60. Bro, my time is worth more than $60, so I'll let them take care of the light work on it. And then to redo the TPS sensors, depending upon where you go, first off, to get the TPS sensors, they're gonna be banging you out like $80 a wheel. I went to Amazon, and I'll be posting up some links on some of the parts I got to help save you money as well and give you the independence, but put the money back in your pocket so you get your car and running and doing things. So I digress. For $39, I got the Mopar models that'll fit. It's like 315 megahertz or whatever the frequency is on it. And then they're gonna also do the relearn on it. So to do the relearn, do the install of the TPS sensors, it's like barely $100. I call one major chain that's in the area. They wanted $399 to get the TPSs, install them, learn them, do the whole 9 yards for almost $400. Dude, that is freaking insane. Homie ain't desperate, homie ain't paying that. And sometimes, you need to kind of find people that you know and get the hustle. So that's why I went to Carothers and made it happen. But again, you need some work done, and you want an honest guy, you want some fast guys. And bro, it's like a NASCAR team up and you're working on the car. Yeah, that's a new car. There's gonna be a new webpage or new channel for that car in particular, because whilst I didn't build it, I'm fixing it and getting it back to its provenance. But that's a bad mofo. I gotta remember, I wanna be PG. So anyways, so there you go. So that's what I've been doing. Also, if you look at Spider Garage, or excuse me, Spider Eye Garage, and also Oli's Garage, on July the 3rd, there's gonna be a trivia night. Sounds like Modern Warfare. Anyways, there's gonna be trivia night. I'm gonna be doing a special announcement there too. So tune in. Great time. Random stuff happens. You never know. Hey, meet some new people. Have some fun. Dang, I've got sunburn. So anyways, life is good, bro. So wishing you the best. Thanks for stopping on by. Again, like, subscribe. Thank you again. And then also be looking out for the new Johnny Swagger and the Black Mamba. That's all I'm going to say about that for now. So anyways, love you guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your week. God bless.